Wall Street is giving diverging profit outlooks for the construction sector, dependent upon segment. Is your company serving the right segment of the construction industry? Find out in this month's Market Minute. After reaching new highs in mid-2018, total put-in-place construction spending began to slow in the second half of the year. Wall Street's profit outlook in the construction sector is very different depending on which segment you're looking at. We see that with commercial and industrial construction spending, profit growth has struggled through the last 2.5 to 3 years. However, the outlook in late 2019 and early 2020 is actually better. It continues the trend of growing profitability that we first saw in 2017. Wall Street's profit outlook, however, for the residential segment of the construction sector is very different. On the residential side, we've seen strong profitability growth since 2016. However, the outlook in late 2019 and early 2020 is for decelerating profits along with some possible contraction in the 2020 period. Covering the construction market this month, I'm Michael Guckes, Chief Economist for Gartner Intelligence. Thank you for your time.